What's up, guys? Today I am in the city of Boston, and I'm very excited because I love history. This city is full of history. My first task in this trip is I am doing what's called the Freedom Trail, which is like 3 miles of historic stops. Let's do this. So, fun fact, my phone died about an hour ago, so I've been looking at this map right here, trying to navigate my way through Boston. So far I'm doing a terrible job. I'm also realizing that the shadow from this thing makes it look like I have a giant mustache.